It's a beautiful day in this neighborhood, a beautiful day for a neighbor. Would you be mine? Please be mine. Hello, home warriors and global students, and welcome back to another edition of Physical Education at Home. So it's time to get our sweat on. So let's go. Let's do this. Okay, home warriors, we are ready for our next dance challenge, which is part of our cardiovascular fitness. Remember that every single day, you need 20 minutes of non-stop movement, whether you're dancing, running in place, or just running around your home. But make sure you get your parents' permission before you do the last one. But either way, you want to do movement that's actually making your heart beat faster. You want to do that every day because that's going to keep your heart healthy and make your heart get stronger. And we want to make sure we're doing movement like that every single day. Now, today's dance challenge has to do with love. We're actually going to be dancing to an old classic called Do You Love Me by the Contours. Now, that's a really old song. I don't know if you know that song. I don't know if your parents know that song. Either way, it's a good song. But now we have to get ready, and you know what time it is. It's time to face your fears. It's time to make sure you overcome obstacles, and it's time to get into a warrior mode. So let's go. That's better. All right, boys and girls. So now it's time for our dance challenge tutorial. So let's go. Okay, home warriors. So now it is time to learn the steps to the Do You Love Me dance challenge. So you have your warrior mode ready. Maybe you can get someone in your family to join you. But either way, it's time. So let's go. Let's get it. Okay, home warriors, in order to speed things up, I'm going to narrate you through the steps. So this dance begins with you crying and being sad because someone you loved left you because you could not dance. Turn to the side and say, but now I'm back. Jump to the other side and say, to let you know. And now turn to the middle and say, I can really bust a move. And now you're going to take your two hands and create a heart. Point to one side, one leg in the front, and start shaking as you ask, do you love me? Point to the middle, same thing with the heart, do you love me? And then point to the other side as you're asking the other people in your home, do you love me? Now you're going to need to create what we call spirit fingers as they're going up, up. Bring our spirit fingers up, bring our spirit fingers down. And then you're going to step forward and say, watch me now. You're going to turn to the side and you're going to do a step, slide, clap, clap. Bring one of your feet to the back and clap it down. And then step, slide again. Step, slide, clap, clap. Bring a foot to the back and slap it down. One more time. Step, slide, bring your foot back and slap it down. And now, like if you have a bell on top, you're ringing a bell, you're bringing around, and we continue with the dance by doing the mashed potato. All right, so now you act like you're smashing potatoes and you're mashing them up with your feet. Just don't eat them. And then you're going to do the twist. You go down with the twist, come up with one leg, go down with the twist, and come up with the other leg. And then as you do the twist, you're going to ask someone to tell you if do you love me? And that's pretty much all the moves. They repeat themselves. So come on, let's do it. Let's go. Okay, home warriors, and that was the tutorial for the Do You Love Me dance challenge. So now, if you think you're ready to do the dance, hit the link below and let's start dancing. Let's go.